Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your haven where petals of wisdom and vines of knowledge intertwine. Today we're going to explore a tale that's as enchanting as a garden in full bloom. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and let's allow the seeds of inspiration, love, and friendship to blossom into a more mindful and connected existence. Our story today is titled Infatuated Blooms, The Secret Admirer and a Gift of Enchanting Roses. Picture this, a quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river. In this town lived a young woman named Rose. Rose was as beautiful as the flower she was named after, with a heart as tender as its petals. She was loved by all, but there was one who admired her from afar, a secret admirer. This secret admirer was a young man named Thorn. Thorn was a quiet, introverted soul who found solace in the company of nature. He was captivated by Rose's beauty and kindness, but he was too shy to express his feelings. So he decided to express his love in a way that was close to his heart, through the language of flowers. Every morning, Rose would find a single, enchanting rose on her doorstep. The rose was always fresh, its petals soft and velvety, its fragrance intoxicating. Each rose was a silent confession of Thorn's love, a symbol of his admiration. This went on for weeks, and with each rose, Rose's curiosity grew. Who was this secret admirer who knew her love for roses? One day, Thorn mustered the courage to reveal himself. He left a bouquet of roses at her doorstep, each rose representing a quality he admired in her: her kindness, her beauty, her resilience. Along with the bouquet, he left a note, confessing his feelings. Rose was touched by Thorn's heartfelt confession. She admired his courage and was moved by his love for nature. She saw in him a kindred spirit, a companion who shared her love for life's simple pleasures. And so their love story began, as enchanting as the roses that brought them together. And that, my beautiful blossoms, is the tale of the infatuated blooms. A story that teaches us that love can bloom in the most unexpected places, and sometimes all it takes is a little courage to let it blossom. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. Remember, every petal tells a story, and every bloom inspires. Until next time, keep blooming and keep inspiring. This is Lily from Inspirational Flower signing off.